Fallorado is here. Let's get it. What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and in this video we're checking out some epic spots in Crested Butte. We're going to a super cool hike off Kebler Pass. We're going to do a cool shoot for Crested Butte at Mount Crested Butte for sunrise, and then we're going over to Crystal and the Crystal Mill, which isn't too far up the road. So yeah, it's going to be sick. Alright, what's going on? So here we are, we're on the Dark Canyon Trail, just a bit outside of Crested Butte off Kebler Pass, maybe 10-15 miles down. I think it's Horse Ranch is like the parking area, and then there's a big loop. Dark Canyon Trail, super cool, great for the fall. I mean, really nice aspen forest all around, super cool mountain views, aspens all around. We'll see some more of those in a moment, but yeah, it's about a 6-mile loop if you do the full loop. I may just go to this one point I want to see for the sunset and back, but we'll see. Anyways, super cool. Here we are, we made it to Viewpoint. It's crazy, it's sick, it's insane. Like I said, just about 2.5 miles up the loop. It's on the left side. Yeah, I mean, come on. All right, this is about 2.5 miles if you go on the left part of the trail, and the trail's there to the right now, but we're gonna hook over there for the views. Alright, what's going on? We're here this morning getting ready for sunrise in Crested Butte. It's coming up here in about 15 minutes or so. We're going to send the drone up, get some really cool shots. I'm in the car because it's freezing, but there's a really cool river down there and Crested Butte over there. Yeah, so if you just take the main road in Crested Butte north, it turns into a county road. I think it's 317, I'll confirm. Something 17 turns into a dirt road. Just take that a couple miles up, nothing far at all. Not a bad road, and really cool river, really cool mountain, and we're gonna try to get some really cool shots. Yeah. Alright, so we got an awesome sunrise out here. Got some really cool shots with the drone. And now we're heading to the next part. It's going to be Kebler Pass, which we were on yesterday, but we're going to drive the full thing now. There's a few cool spots along it, one of them being the one I was at yesterday. But so probably the best road, pass, whatever you want to call it, for the fall colors in Colorado. You don't need a super technical vehicle to drive it. It is a dirt road for most of it, and be careful, definitely. Don't take, you know, a old sedan down it, but you don't need high clearance or four-wheel drive per se. I mean, you need some clearance, but anyways, we're gonna go check that out, and should be cool. Near Crested Butte, some of the leaves have fallen, but out there's a bit more color and pop and everything a little further from it. It's the kind of first weekend of October. Always hard to predict, you know, when peak will be. The best way to kind of figure that out, in my experience, my opinion, is just, you know, staying up to date with it. It's not like we're gonna block out this weekend and go because it's peak. It varies year to year. It's always end of September, start of October though, and it kind of differs between the different parts of Colorado. So this is the Crested Butte area, and we're gonna check out Crystal Mill as well. So Alright, so yeah, we're just at a little pull-off here. Something really cool about this road is there's tons of pull-offs. You can just pull off when you see some nice aspen trees or some nice views that you like, and take some pictures. So there's tons of them. Road's pretty long. I mean, it's not too bad, but tons of cool pull-offs. And yeah, we're getting closer to the end of Kebler Pass, kind of about half-ish way up. We're gonna go check out Lost Lakes, a really cool area, really cool 3-lake hike there. Some amazing fall colors and aspens in the forest driving up. There's a side dirt road to get there, but it's not bad. So definitely would check it out if you're in the area. And then we're gonna go ahead and shoot on over to Marble and then Crystal and check out the Crystal Mill. And the Crystal Mill is a spot I've been wanting to visit for ever since I kind of first saw a picture of it a few years ago. So super stoked to go check that out. We're going to do some kind of late afternoon photos there, and the town I think is going to be kind of cool too. A really old town, mountain town in the middle of, you know, nowhere off a dirt road. So excited. We're going to go check that out, and yeah, we'll see you out there. All right, so this is the road to Crystal Mill. Only not even a mile yet. Pretty bad. I mean, we're making it, we're doing it. I did see one car turn around, but yeah, we'll see how it is when we get there. All right, we made it to this sign. Like I said, kind of tough. We'll see how the rest is. First part, only part I've done, hardest part I've done. All right, it's super pretty. Nice little river down there. Can confirm. It gets crazier than the first part. Yeah, I'm stressing, but we're out here doing it. Oh yeah. Here's another partial glimpse of the road. You can't really tell on a camera as much as it is real life. I mean, this part's a little rocky, not terrible, but it's a tough road for sure. Alright, so we made it to the Crystal Mill, and Crystal, it's beautiful. The fall colors are like at peak right now here, super pretty, greens, yellowish, greenish, yellows. But anyways, the drive is gnarly, I'll say, like the drive. I recommend a lot of drives that other people say are bad, but this one I can say it's tough. I was very anxious during it. Not like I was gonna get myself killed, but needed to be very focused, very paying attention. Cars coming by and passing was kind of the scariest thing, but people were really friendly, super chill. There were a few spots to kind of pull around. But yeah, I would say like definitely have a good vehicle. Do not attempt this. If the first hill up to the sign that splits left and right, if you can't get up that or you have a hard time doing that, I would not attempt doing this. I know it's a cool place to visit, yada, 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 but it's sketch. But yeah, anyways, here we are. We're in Crystal. The Crystal Mill is beautiful, super cool. It's one of those things you like see it in the pictures and then you get there and it's like
cooler cooler than the pictures, which always happens, but still it's always cool to see things, experience them. So yeah, I would recommend not a super wide lens, but a medium lens. I'm kind of using 28 millimeters to 35 for the mill, and I really like that range. My 20 mil I think is a little too wide. We're gonna hang out for a little bit just here, chillax in the area, wait for the sun to set a bit, and then take some more pictures. Hopefully get a little bit better lighting. We do kind of want to skedaddle maybe 45 minutes or so before sunset, because I am not driving that road in the dark. But anyways, yeah, super dope, super chill, and I hope you guys can check it out. All right, here we are. This is the wonderful, whopping, major city town of Crystal, America. Yeah, super cool. Crazy that people live here. All right, y'all, so we're at the Crystal Mill. It's awesome. A lot of people came and went. It's just me and another photographer now. It's about 5:30. Gonna go shoot some sunset. This is kind of golden hour. The best time to shoot the mill is around then, right as the sun's going over the horizon, kind of right before, right during. But yeah, anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all check out some of these fall Colorado spots. Also, all of these spots are super cool, not in the fall too. So definitely check it out, add them to your list, whatever it is. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got something out of it, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.